Looking for the lakefront lifestyle in Grand Bend, Ontario at a sensible price and with a newer winterized home that doesn't need a thing? Look no further. Now for sale on the lake, just 6 minutes north of everything you need in Grand Bend's downtown center, I have a very special lakefront assembly of properties that includes 2 parcels plus a 2014 custom home that shows like a brand new house. I am officially sending out an alert. Every season, there's always that one great deal on the lake, and this is it. The quintessential lakefront deal of the summer. As shown here, you get 75 feet of lake frontage with the 2 lots, one beyond a small laneway plus a second lot for your private access down to the beach, fully protected by premium and very pricey engineered erosion prevention that is working like a charm. This comes with impressively low property taxes due to that tiny laneway, with only one neighbor to the north at the end of Sunview Avenue. And check out this 4-season home loaded with premium features and of course, boasting epic views of the lake and sunsets from almost every window in the house. Clearly, this home stands out, and it comes fully furnished, so it's ready to go on closing day. I'm going to step away for a bit so you can take in this wonderful interior. Okay, I'm back. Aren't the house and bunky spectacular? Let's tour the outdoor space now. Very impressive with healthy lawns, 2 fire pits, low maintenance perennials, stamped concrete, mature trees, and boatloads of privacy and seclusion in this quiet and small subdivision. At the end of the day though, this is what it's all about. The immaculate and incredible views of the sparkling waters of Lake Huron, which at this location are some of the best I have ever seen, and I've seen quite a few. As we wrap up at the sandy beach directly adjacent to the rock-solid shoreline foundation in front of your new lakefront property, keep in mind that you will get these epic sunsets and epic views at lake level and also up on the bluff, year-round at this 4-season home. What a package! Call me for pricing information and a private tour today before it's too late. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at the beach.